Alright everybody, so I bought this TDI Jetta. I put a new clutch in it, took it for a test drive and found out it had no fifth gear. So I pulled the cover off, fifth gear cover. It's got five bolts, 11 millimeter. You pull them off, pull the cover, get a little catch tray, and then you have your fork in here. That's your selector fork. Well, I found that mine are all the ears are shaved clean off, which I've never seen before. So I do have a spare transmission, and I basically took a parts transmission that I had and had a good fifth gear with everything that I needed. So to get this out of there, you basically sneak it through right here, and you'll have to take off these two little dowels that hold it in, and they have two triple squares, M18, or I mean M8 right here. I use the long. Make sure these little selector tabs swivel nice and easy. Gonna get a little tough with it to get it in there. There we go. Make sure your retainers are in here good. Make sure you clean the sealing surface off pretty good. What I like to do is clean this out real nice. Hit this gasket if you're going to reuse it. If it's somewhat still malleable, you can reuse it. Hit it with some brake clean, clean it off. And then I normally give it a little bit of, just a little bit of the gasket maker that you use on most other stuff like the oil pan.